What is going on, everyone? Today we're installing this 68 Hemi scoop. It is from GlassTek. It's a replica of the 68 LO23 Dart scoops and the 68 CUDA scoops. We got this one specifically because of this inside lip here. We want this to be as authentic and true as possible, and we are going to show you how we installed it. There were no instructions from GlassTek, so hopefully this is useful. This is for a Dart specifically, but you can also install this scoop on many other cars if you like the look. And it's just a template on how to install scoops in general. Let's get into it. So what we're doing here is marking all corners of the hood scoop with a combination square 3/4 of an inch in. Next, we are drawing a line halfway down the center of the lip to connect all the markings we just made. Next up, we're going to be marking the holes. It's really up to you to pick how far apart you want the holes, because these will be your mounting holes. We chose to do 5 inches apart. In this next step, we're using a pilot drill bit, and we're going to gradually step it up till we get to a drill bit that's a little bit larger than our 1/4 bolts. In this next step, we are using a thicker cardstock, and we lightly taped it to the hood scoop. You don't want to tape it that hard because you do want these to transfer to the hood of the car, so be cautious about that. We were looking online for authentic specs of the 68 LO23 Dart hood scoop, but we couldn't find anything. We got a ton of reference pictures, so we placed the hood scoop exactly in the middle and then 3 inches from the back of the hood. You could do 2.5. They're all pretty close and similar. It's based on what you think about the reference pictures. After you took your time and you lined up the hood scoop exactly where you want it, try not to mess it up or move it, and tape down the white cardboard strips on the inside and outside, because we're going to remove the hood scoop and leave the strips on the hood. Right here, we're taking off the hood scoop. You want to be very careful that you do not mess up your template, because these strips will be our new mounting holes. Now we're using a Sharpie to outline the holes, so then we can take the strips off. Now we're using a center punch on our new holes to make an indent so the drill bit doesn't skip. We are going to be using the same drill bits as before. These are the bolts we ended up using. They are 1/4 by 2 inches, but I did have to use shorter ones for the back because they hit the back of the side scoop and they stuck out too far under the hood. Thanks so much for making it to the end of the video. I hope this was easy and useful for everyone. Let me know what you think about the scoop down below. The next thing we have for this car is wheels. We got a set off of eBay for $500 and they're centerline wheels. The lightest wheels I've ever felt. And then also we have a white Bumblebee stripe we're putting on this car. I took off all of this adhesive. I just made a YouTube short on how to do that, so check that out if you need to take that off. And then we are going to be putting on the braces for the front of this scoop and painting the hood black. So I think I'm really gonna dress up this car with all these mods and it's gonna look totally different and not like a 6-cylinder Dart. So stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next one.